Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Edge slow downloading problem to solve it in a very simple way. First we will open the Microsoft Edge and then we'll go for this three vertical line, click on that and then go for settings. After that come over into the left side called system and performance, click on that and then from here you can see there are three different options over here into the systems. The first one, startup boost. So go to browsing quickly when this is on. It helps Microsoft Edge open faster when you start your device. Leave it as enabled and then continue running background extension apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. So turn it off and use graphics acceleration when available. So make sure that it's turned on. After that, we will go for our privacy search and services, and from here we're going to come over into scroll down a little bit and come to the services setting. We will going to turn off this setting called save time and money shopping Microsoft Edge, and we will going to suggest similar sites when a website can be found. We're going to turn it off and use a web service to help resolve navigation errors. So we're going to turn it off. So we're going to turn it off these three options, and then we will go for cookies and site permissions. And from here we will going to manage our cookies and site permissions. Click on that and here we're going to click on block third-party cookies, and after that we'll go for the privacy search and services another time and come over delete browsing data. To choose what to clear, click on that and going to set it for all time. And now here you just need to leave it the password and autofill from data, and are going to uncheck these two and going to check rest them all. Click clear now, and that's it. After, what you can do, just simply come over into the search bar and going to type edge clone / call flags. Click enter, and here we just need to search for parallel downloading. As we can see, the parallel downloading options came in, and from here you just need to set it at enabled and click restart, and that's it. Your now the slow downloading issues will be fixed and you don't need to worry about right now. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for other videos. Till then, goodbye.